Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be going over the beautiful and gorgeous, oops, it's that side, YSL All Hours Foundation. And then I have a little sneak peek of the YSL Concealer as well. This video is about the foundation, but I am going to be applying the concealer as well, so you'll get to see that also. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video, and you guys can see me apply the foundation, and I will give you all the info about it and what I think and all the facts on it. All right, let's jump into this, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the foundation to my skin. I wanna let you guys know the color that I have this YSL All Hours Foundation in is in LW9. Now, LW9 is their light warm color. I purchased this from their website, and since it was my first purchase, I purchased a few other things with it. Since it was my first purchase, and you know what? I have a video link below of me unboxing my YSL purchase. I'll put that link below so you can see the other few things that I bought. Retails for $65, but if you're purchasing for the first time, they do give you 15% off. And then they also give you, with your purchase, they let you choose a few, I got to choose 2 samples, and you could choose cologne, perfume, and they also have unisex. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this, and I'm gonna apply this foundation to my skin. First off, let me show you. So this is the packaging. The packaging is really, really pretty. It's YSL, it's good quality, and I love how this wraps around. It's so beautiful. It comes off, and it has, you know, a push tab. So I bought this really cool thing from Amazon. So I normally would just put my foundation on my skin or on my fingers and rub it on there, but I want to show you the foundation. I really like this. Okay. The only thing you really don't know how much you're going to use, but I think after a while, they say you should kind of like mix the foundation. Maybe this is for mixing if you have other colors. I don't know. I have no idea, but I don't want to waste this very expensive foundation. But it came with this little stick. This is like a whole nother video review of an Amazon product, and this brush. So this brush I really want to try out. I really want to try out the Morphe one, but I think I went to go buy it somewhere, and it was sold out. And I'm like, you know what? Let me see if Amazon has it. Look how cool this is, because you're literally just like painting your face. And it feels so good too, by the way. I feel like I'm shaving my face. I don't shave my face. I do dermaplane it though, with the little razor. Okay, so I put a little bit more just because I used that already. I have a mirror in front of me, but I tend to like to look at the camera viewfinder instead. Okay. I think I painted myself enough. Now I'm gonna go in with my brush just to blend this all out. So as I'm blending this out, let me talk to you about the foundation. So this is YSL All Hours Luminous Natural. Wait, no. I got it right. Sorry, I'm looking at the website and I'm looking at the product and I thought I had something different. Yes, so it's a YSL All Hours Luminous Matte Foundation, up to 24 hours full coverage, weightless feel. And it has sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30 in it. And as I'm applying this to my skin, I'm going to tell you right now, you can tell it's a matte foundation because as you start applying it, when you first put it on, it's a little runny. It's not like a real thick foundation, which I actually think is better than having a very thick foundation, because you probably don't want like a very thick, heavy foundation all over your skin, because it's going to feel heavy and you're going to feel weighted down. But as I'm spreading it out, it feels very light, but now the more that I spread it out, it feels almost like a powdery foundation texture, which would make sense if it's a matte foundation. Okay. I don't know. I really don't smell anything. I don't know if that's weird, but like some people are like, oh, it smells like this, the foundation, or it smells like that. I don't really smell anything. But the feel is good. Nice lightweight feel, not too heavy, considering it's a full coverage foundation. So yeah, so this is pretty much it. So this is the foundation on the skin. Now, since I have a little bit left on here, I'm just gonna go ahead. I don't wanna waste it. So I'm gonna just put it kind of on the sides of my face. I feel like here is where I have the most kind of discoloration and like age spots. So I'm gonna try to just put another layer on here to kind of just cover up. I mean, obviously I'm gonna go in with a concealer, which I bought their concealer as well. And I'm gonna use the concealer in this video. I was gonna do a separate video for the concealer, but you know what? Since you guys are here and I already am doing this, I'll go ahead and apply the concealer as well, since I have it. Okay. Sorry, I can do this all day. It's kind of relaxing, just like putting makeup on and just sitting down and not running and cleaning and cooking and having to go here or there. It's just something so calming about this. Okay. So the concealer I have is LC5. I'll do another video on the concealer. I'm not going to go like too details into it. I'll do another video and go more detail in it. Sorry, I'm trying to get this concealer thing right, because there's the new way you do your concealer, right? Okay. So the new way is you do like a little bit here, a little here, not too much. I like to do a little bit here because I just have like that dark shade there, and then I'll put a little bit on my eyelid. I couldn't think of the name because for my eyeshadow, I feel like it just sticks better. And I'll put a little bit here. I have no like process of how I do my concealer. I just kind of put it where I see like those darker shades, or obviously I need to conceal a spot, but like those darker shadows, I'll kind of put it to just cover it up. So that's the concealer. I don't know, I'm trying to get my like lighting right, but I feel like if I put the ring light on too much, then it kind of washes me out. Okay, so that's with the concealer. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna try to look at you guys in the camera and also look at my mirror. So I like using a concealer brush for my concealer. I probably should have done one eye so you guys could see the difference. Okay, so I should have not put it here because I wanted you to see the difference, but that's okay. Okay, so that's this side and that's this side. I know I have some on there, but you can kind of see the difference. I have under eye bag, so it's not going to cover it up completely. So that's it. That's with, sorry, I'm drinking lemon water, and like every time I touch the glass, it just makes a noise. So this is, and I'm sorry if it doesn't look perfect because I'm going to have to go and do my makeup now and I'll freshen everything up. But this is with the foundation in the concealer. And again, and I'll have everything listed below, the concealer is in LC5 and the foundation is in LW9, which is light warm. Okay, let me put my makeup on. We'll come back and we'll talk a little bit more about the foundation, okay? Okay guys, so I'm back. I got my makeup on, the rest of my makeup on. So let's talk about this YSL foundation. I've been using it for weeks now, and maybe like a month. And I absolutely love it. I think it gives my skin that matte finish, but it's not over the top where it looks too dried out, but it just kind of holds, my makeup stays in place and kind of holds my makeup all day because it's that luminous matte. So my skin looks good, looks kind of like, I don't want to say glowy, but it, you know, it kind of stands out. I don't want to say like glowy, oily, but it kind of stands out. But then it gives you that matte, so it looks like everything's intact matte finish. Okay, as far as what this foundation does, like specifically on the website and what they claim it does, is it's the long wear foundation. It's got the SPF 30 in it. It gives you up to 24-hour of coverage, of full smooth coverage. And then it's got a lot of different things in it. So it's got hyaluronic acid, which is known for hydrating your skin. It's got jasmine petals, which is for brightening the skin. It has taurine, which is for anti-fatigue properties. And it's got Neo Skin Powder. I've never heard of that before. Neo Skin Powder, known for mattifying properties. I don't, like I said, I've never heard of that Neo Skin Powder, but yes, I could feel it. Like I told you guys in the middle of the video, I felt like at first it was kind of runny, the foundation, but as you're putting it on, it almost feels like matte, you know, like the foundation with the powder kind of mixed together. So that must be the Neo Skin Powder. Okay. So it's got that. It has, on the website, on the YSL website, it has 40 shades. Now, not all those shades were available. There were 2, 3, 4. There were 5 shades that were not available on the website. And those were some of the darker shades. So, but then, you know, maybe if they don't have them on the website, you can find them at another Sephora or another, what company website. Okay, it says the foundation is breathable, weightless feel, blurred, natural matte finish, transfer proof, waterproof, heat resistant. The unique finish leaves skin looking healthy, infused with hyaluronic acid, the jasmine petal, which I mentioned that already. This foundation provides day after day skincare benefits. After only 2 weeks, skin feels softer, smoother, and hydrated. Okay, so I didn't know that, like using foundation. I know some of them say they have those skin benefit products in them, but I didn't know it actually is improving your skin as you're wearing the foundation. I just thought it made your skin look a little nicer while you have the foundation on. So that's interesting to know. So my thoughts on it, I like it. I mean, like I said, I've worn it before and I've worn it all day, and my skin, the makeup is still holding up, still looks good. And then remember, I put it with the concealer as well, which I do have a little darkness there. But like when I take pictures and I do like, or video, take a screenshot of the video, I noticed that it just looks good on me. I think it looks good. I don't know, I can't tell you this versus maybe like a drugstore one, why I think it's better, but I like it. I can see the difference, and I like the way it makes my skin look. So you would have to really just check it out for yourself and see if you like it. But this kind of just wraps up the video. I think I gave you guys all the information about it. You got to look at the foundation, see how it looks on the skin, plus a little bonus, you got to see the concealer. So if you are new to my channel, remember, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like to get notified. And if you like the video, click that like button. If you're a subscriber of mine, thank you so much for your support and coming back to watch another video of mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about the foundation, the concealer, or just anything, or you know, or even any recommendations for me of other high-end designer foundations, let me know below. And like I said, any questions, let me know below. And if you guys have any video ideas, if you want me to do a certain kind of video on a certain product, let me know, because I would love to purchase that product and do a video on it so I can try it out and I can show you guys. That way you don't have to buy it, unless if you don't want to buy it, let me buy it and I'll show you guys. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see everyone in my next video. Bye.